Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how airplanes fly? It's like magic, right? Big metal birds soaring through the air, carrying people and things all over the world? Well, it's not magic, it's science. Airplanes use special designs and engines to fly. They use the air around them to stay up. Let's learn how it works. Airplanes are really cool and can fly really high. They go so fast, too. Want to know the best part? We're going to learn all about how they fly. To understand how airplanes fly, we need to know about 4 important forces: lift, thrust, drag, and gravity. Think of them like a team working together. Lift pushes the airplane up, thrust pushes the airplane forward, drag tries to slow the airplane down, gravity pulls the airplane down. For an airplane to fly, lift needs to be stronger than gravity, and thrust needs to be stronger than drag. The secret to lift lies in the shape of an airplane's wings. They are curved on top and flatter on the bottom, kind of like a bird's wing. This special shape makes the air move faster over the top of the wing than under it. When air moves faster, it has lower pressure. So, the air pressure under the wing is higher. This pushes the wing up, creating lift. It's like when you hold your hand out of a car window. If you tilt your hand up, the air pushes it up. Now, how does the airplane move forward? That's where thrust comes in. Airplanes use powerful engines called jet engines. These engines suck in air and mix it with fuel. When the fuel burns, it creates hot gas that blasts out of the back of the engine, pushing the airplane forward. Pilots control the airplane using special parts on the wings and tail. They can change the direction and speed of the airplane. And guess what? Some airplanes are gigantic. The Airbus A380 is one of the biggest and can carry over 800 people. It's like a flying giant. So the next time you see an airplane, remember the amazing science that keeps it in the air. It's all about lift, thrust, drag, gravity, and some clever engineering.